Done, Gina, wait. Carrie, in a little bit, will you set the table, please?
Did she talk to Tony or anything?
Not to my knowledge.
Let's make this fast.
No, I don't want that one. I'll take a nice burnt one.
It's not bad.
Come on, go for it. They're not bad. Put the whole thing in your mouth. Crunch it. Crunch it, crunch it, crunch it. They're hot. That's about it. Yep. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Oh.
That's not going to encourage the others.
It's too hot to even taste.
Yeah.
But if you ate it plain, it would be slimy.
Steven's turn.
Nope.
Yeah.
They're good. They have
Harry's turn. Oh, just try one.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't even be mean.
It tastes like a
Yeah.
chicken nugget without the
Well,
chicken.
here, get one for me.
It's like crust.
Angela, try one. Yummy. Tastes like broccoli.
Doesn't taste like anything.
Tastes like broccoli. Try it.
Push out then.
What's in the pan?
You don't get macaroni and cheese if you try it.
Blackmail.
No, honestly, it's not. But that's what they
It's
taste
not
like.
fruit, so you'll like it.
It's not fruit. I promise.
Second.
Okay.
Cheers.
Okay.
Or fried spinach.
Fried okra? I don't see what all the fuss is about.
Tastes like
Found
broccoli
it.
plates, doesn't it?
Very bad broccoli bites, but yeah.
Without the cheese.
That's kind of good.
Oh, Donji, you're not supposed to try them yet. Here, try another one.
Tango. Okra.
Yeah, it's all in your mouth. Your mouth full of it.
My not so favorite. Not bad, but nothing.
Quite frankly, that felt like I got French kissed by a slug.
Ugh. They're not slimy.
No.
Yeah, the inside
The
is.
lady came in
No, they weren't.
yesterday afternoon.
It just tastes like broccoli plates.
Everyone had the
Without the cheese.